Hi, today I will be showing you how to deploy 802.1x authentication on a RUCKUS ZoneDirector. Here you can see that I have a Ubuntu server hosted on an ESXi server. I have installed FreeRadius on this Ubuntu server, and I have also installed the Python Flask user management system that I mentioned in a previous video. I have already set up an account on this FreeRadius server with the username Aiden and the password hello there. I can now go to my RUCKUS ZoneDirector and we will now create an 802.1x authenticated Wi-Fi network. First, begin by logging into your ZoneDirector. Next, go to the Configure tab and click on WLANs on the sidebar. Next, create a new WLAN. You can name this WLAN whatever you would like. I will be naming it Employee Network. Next, go down to Authentication Options and click 802.1x EAP. Then, click WPA2 for the encryption method. Go down to the section that says Authentication Server and press Create New. Enter the name that you would like for the new AAA server. I will be naming it FreeRadius Server. Go down to the IP address section and enter the IP address of the FreeRadius server that you are using. In my case, this is 192.168.2.14, as you can see right here. Go back and enter the shared secret that you will have set up on your FreeRadius server. For me, this is super secret password. Confirm the secret by typing it again. Then click OK. Go back to this and click on the new AAA server that you have just created. Once you are done, then click OK to create your new Wi-Fi network. You have now created a new WLAN that uses 802.1x authentication connected to a FreeRadius server. Here you can see the employee network that we have just set up. I'm going to log in by entering the username and password that you saw earlier, which is Aiden and hello there. Once I finish typing the password, I'm going to hit the join button, and then I'm going to trust the certificate that you see here. And once this is all finished setting up, you will then see that we are now connected to the employee network.